Reliable and productive, versatile and convenient. This is Artmash 7.5 kW feed crusher. The main advantages of the crusher are its versatility and speed. It crushes any grain, corn cobs, hay, straw, wood chips, grain husks and other required materials. The feed crusher is equipped with a rotor with hammers made of Hardox steel, which is renowned for its excellent wear resistance. The hammers have 4 working sides, allowing them to be rotated and used until they are completely worn out. The grinding fraction is regulated by interchangeable screens. 3 screens are included with the crusher. The hole size is selected by the customer. The Cyclone and reverse dust extraction system allow the operator to work in comfortable conditions with minimal dust presence. The motor is equipped with thermal protection and an electronical emitter, so the user can monitor the load. The Artmash 7.5 kW feed crusher has stood the test of time, making it a reliable assistant for your operations. For a further consultation, please submit a request on our website.